Hello everybody, this is Vivek Moda from my YouTube channel Vivi Mode. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of my new Ambrane 360-degree phone stand. I bought this stand in the current Prime Day sale. It was priced around 250 rupees, but I got it for 200 rupees. So there was some 50 rupees discount going on. So let us quickly open this product and show you the unboxing of it. The stand that I use right now is broken down, so I wanted to buy a new one. Okay, so this is the Ambrane stand. This is a bill. Fine. So this is the Ambrane 360-degree rotating and foldable mobile stand. As you know, this is mobile stand, metal rotating base, anti-skid rubber pads, and adjustable viewing angle. Okay, the MRP is 700 rupees, but I got it for 200 rupees. And you know, Ambrane is an Indian company which makes lots of mobile accessories and all that. So let us quickly open it and show it to you. I was confused between Portronics and Ambrane. There was lots of positive reviews for Ambrane on Amazon app, so I thought let's go for Ambrane. So this is the unboxing of it. Fine. Okay, so we have a query. If you have any concern, you can drop an email, call, or say hi. Okay, it's a normal way to connect with them. So nothing else in the box. Okay, fine. Nice packing it is. Okay, fine. I ordered black color. So this is a stand. You can see anti-skid page. Quality is good. You can rotate it three ways. Fine. We'll just keep it here and just okay. So this way you can just open it. Okay, it goes this way. Fine. This is how the stand will look. Okay, fine. You can keep the phone here. You can move this up down. You can adjust the angle, and if you want to adjust it lower, you can keep it like this. Okay, so this is how the stand looks. You can keep it this at low place, and you can keep the phone this way. So it is 360-degree, and you can easily rotate it. You know, the problem with normal stand is that there's always charging issue, but there is no charging issue with it. Okay, quality is good, plus it is foldable, so you can easily carry it. Okay, and you can use it for your phone. Okay, fine. So it looks a good device. Good device for 200 rupees. You can rotate it this way, and you can adjust the height. You can adjust the viewing angle from your end. It will be good in handy for me, and you can easily carry it everywhere. Okay, fine. So you can just keep it this way. It becomes flexible one. So I'll use this stand and then make a review video of it. Until then, if you really like my video, do share it with your friends and family members. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe it. That's it for today. We'll meet in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.